This is the image we're talking about. You've probably seen this. So, this dress, some people see it as blue and black, some people see it as white and gold. Those are very different colors. So, first, this is the original poster, and she said on that wedding day, she saw this. So, on a different picture, it obviously looks blue and black. And then she said that in real life, it obviously looked blue and black. So what is with this picture that makes so many people think that it's white and gold? So let's look at what the computer displays actually, or cell phone display is actually trying to display to you. So in Paint, of this tool called the color picker, and what it says is that it picks a color from the picture and use it for drawing. So now let's pick a place over here, a random place that's supposed to be blue or white, we don't know. Pick it and then draw it on the right. And now we're gonna see this is obviously not white, it's more of a blue, but we're scientists, so let's do another trial on like a different place. So let's pick somewhere in the middle, pick that. We also draw it on the right. It's a different shade, but it's still blue. So the computer monitor is really trying to display blue to you, but so many people see white. Let's try the black/gold part. Let's do somewhere on the top, pick it, and then draw it over here on the right. And then this is arguable. It looks kind of black, but it looks like gray. It looks a little gold/brown. Let's do it again, somewhere more towards the bottom. Right here, let's say. It looks kind of black, but like I can see that there's like, if you pick this place, I can see how people think this is gold because there's a little like brownish like tint to it. And then now we know that the picture is actually trying to produce blue and another like blackish brownish color, but why do people see this part as white? So let's start with what our brain does. I'm gonna try to explain this. My dorm has like a yellowish light, and when I look at a white sheet of paper, my brain has a mechanism that tells me that, oh, the yellow tint of the paper is from the light, not the actual piece of paper. So when I look at the paper, I see white. I don't see yellow. Without the mechanism in our brain, we're going to look at it and see yellow and think that the sheet of paper is yellow. But no, our brain does this thing itself that tells us that the yellow is from the lighting source, not from the reflecting material. So let's say you see white and gold in this picture, and I see blue and black. What your brain is doing is you look at the picture, and then your brain's like, oh, there's like a bluish light here. So when you see this bluish part, light, it's pretty light, it's a light blue. Your brain thinks the blue is from the lighting source, not from the reflectant. So it's like, oh, this is white because the blue is from the light, not from the actual dress. And it looks at this part, and it kind of takes away like the bluish tint, and black has like a little bluish tint. So you see the gold part, like the yellow, brown, gold part, and you're like, oh, this is white and gold. But what I see when I see this, my brain thinks that there's like a warm yellowish kind of lighting. So I see this part, and my brain's like, oh, the yellow tint, the brown is from the lighting source. So it tells me that this is black. So that's what I see. And then this part, there's like the yellow tint is almost non-existent. So I see blue and I think, oh, that's from the dress, so it's blue and black. So what our brain decides is the lighting source kind of changes what we see as the color of these dress colors.